How to DM someone on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application and check if you have an updated version of X or Twitter application on a device. And as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update. So this means we have an updated version of the application. So simply tap on open. That will lead us to the Twitter application itself. Now make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, you can see different menus at the bottom of the screen. From home to search to your communities, notifications, and your mail icon, which is a direct message option. So in order to DM someone on Twitter, there must be a mutual following. So if you follow someone and the other person also follows it back, that's when you can DM someone. So if you have not followed anybody, or if you have not followed that particular person that you would want to DM, then that's not how the DM function works in this Twitter application. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.